Hey guys, today on Know Your Produce we're making Israeli salad. This is one of my favorite Middle Eastern recipes and we're sure you're going to love it just as much as we do. So first off we have Roma tomatoes. We want to get those seeds out and then chop it up really well. Talking about chopping, we have some red pepper also chopped the same way. Almost like a fresh pico salsa, you want to chop it up so it's not huge big chunks. And then we also have, these are Persian cucumbers, they're seedless and they're small cucumbers, but you could also use a seedless English cucumber if you can't find the Persian. Then we're also gonna add in some chopped red onion, some fresh parsley, and then a little bit of lemon juice. And then I'm gonna finish it off with olive oil. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to taste, mix it up, and then pop it into the fridge because I want it to marinate a little bit and let those flavors really meld together. The lemon breaks down it a little bit so those flavors really develop. And it's so fresh and delicious, and it's great with falafel, pita, hummus, however you want to eat it. You could even eat it with a spoon, it's that good, and it's really refreshing and healthy. Oh, and one more thing. We also have a Shirazi salad on our website, so if you want something like that with mint, you can also find that on knowyourproduce.com. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.